Creating a website for free is possible using website builders that offer free plans. Here's a simple guide. Choose a website builder. Select a reputable website builder that provides a free plan. Platforms like Wix, Weebly, and WordPress.com offer free options. Sign up. Create an account with the chosen website builder. You may need to provide a valid email address. Select a template. Choose a template that aligns with your website's purpose. Most website builders offer a variety of templates to get you started. Customize your site. Use the website builder's drag and drop editor to customize your site. Add text, images, and other elements to personalize your content. Configure settings. Adjust site settings, including the site title, description, and other basic configurations. Add pages and sections. Create different pages for your website such as home, about, contact, etc. Organize content into sections to improve navigation. Optimize for SEO. Implement basic SEO practices by adding relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to improve your site's visibility on search engines. Preview your site. Preview your website to see how it looks before publishing. Ensure that the layout and content are visually appealing. Publish your site. Once satisfied, click on the Publish or Go Live button to make your website accessible on the internet. Share your website. Share your website link on social media or through other channels to increase visibility.